Refreshing road. Asa sa pare? Ah. Okay, thank you. Wow. Wow. Safari, boss?
Babaw, boss.
Ah, okay.
May logo dito babaw. Suot ka to sa pare.
Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Thank you. Hello. Safari?
Pare. Okay. Labi na dyan.
Okay.
Street lang, right?
Okay, thank you.
Sige, sige.
Sikat na. Asa entrance? Thank you. Hello. Pilih bayad. Pilih bayad.
Ang karon sir is 1-2.
Ah, okay. Basta holiday 1-2.
Yes.
Kung daily
1K.
1K 1,000.
Yeah, weekend 1-2 po sir.
Kung weekend ya. Weekend dan holiday. Asa parking motor?
Ada sir.
Di atas sa Cebu Safari. Cebu Safari ba tawagan? Daghan man day sila kuan diri oh. Visitors, daghang tourists, daghang guests. Ya sa Tagwanto. Dako, pero dako sa konsumo ng mga animals nga naa diha. Okay. Kani ka mga rides na maka separate na. Kaning di ba na mga rides like zipline ana? Ah okay. Kung mo abila na another bayad no. Ah. Like zipline. Ha? Ah 600. So oras sa Kotob dire magsira. Apita? Ha? 2:30. Pila ka oras ang sorry. 3 to 4 hours. Okay. Okay, mao na ilang mga rides. Pero wa pa ni ma-update ang kuan ha. Ang mga rates ani.
Mag-uni siya nga rates sa adventure rides sir ha.
Ah. So naay bago nga rates di ni mao.
Mauni siya.
Ah, mao na ni ang updated. Ah, okay. So mao ni ang updated nga rates sa rides.
Mauni ang
Package. Mao ni ang packages pod nila. Okay. Hello. Diyan, nana. Thank you. Sakay ko nung tanin truck. Dili, adirita. Hello. Ako pa'y pasahero. Lapad-lapad ini, no? Mga pila ni ka hectares?
117 sir.
Taas, dako. Pero distansya man kada sa pangana na station.
Oh,
By station ang kaning kinds of animal dire nya dito spikas ana. Akani dito na ni sila gikan. Ulit. Pila man sad ka buok shuttle bay tawag ani? Dire. Pila mo ka buok? Ay, nagandang ka.
Drop ka na kung base kami, kaman white lion di ka to kasi nakataan nga itong bontot.
Okay.
Para nga magpadung rin ka paubos ang motor.
Maglakaw na, sa man?
Ang motor magpadung ubos. Sakay ka to pa white lion, ikaw white lion sakay sa ka para camel.
Okay.
Kaman ni mo sa camel version of the world, sakay sa ka para African Savannah.
Okay.
Kaman mo sa African Savannah, amo na sa walking tour rin padung sa ubos, padung base ka, padung garden kaya.
Walking na.
Kaya mga animal sa tapat-tapat naman at mga ato padung ubos.
Shout out, sir.
Ryan Kapuya.
Shout out ni Sir Ryan.
Mouse, the white lion, camels, birds of the world, and African savanna. Then take note, Launcher, African savanna will close at 4 p.m. and the park will be closed at 5 p.m. also. Then don't forget also we have the white tiger feeding 2:30 and giraffe feeding 3 p.m. So while inside the park, Launcher, do not use flash photography and selfie sticks. No shouting, no running, no smoking or vaping inside the park. Okay, thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the world. Thank you.
Okay. Proceed ta diri sa entrance. Dili sa exit. Okay, may gate. Na ba kayo mo open sa gate dito? Hello. Okay. Isa pa nga ano? Peacock ba niyo? Peacock? Ay, ito po. Hello. Oh, nagana nila. Okay. Hello, how are you? Wow, kadagan nila. Oh, kuyaw, tingog ni mo. Hello. Oh. Ikaw to? Narat yung nagsapa. Ay! Hello! Hello! Ayaw lang ko githi ha? Gibatugan ko. Okay. Oh, sa ilaha po, sa ilaha. Anad lagi ni sila. Hello. The whole tribe, the whole clan. Mga birds din dito. Hello. Hi. Asa man nga klase sa langgam ni? Anad man kaayo? Abi, sakat talin. Lori. Kuha ni siya. Nara, red and blue lorry. Mga lorry ni sila. Okay. Hi. Hello. Oh. Chattering lorry sa tong usa. Chattering lorry. Katong nipatong sa ako ang ulo, murag mo tong chattering lorry. Hello, asa sunod?
Overlooking kangaroo, sir.
Okay, kangaroo ko na. Where are the... Ay, ostrich. That's the ostrich. The big birds. Kangaroo. Asam ng kangaroo? Ingon nilang kangaroo. Ayun! There you are, the kangaroos. Hello, kangaroos. How can we go there? Oh. Hey, oh, kangaroos. Turay, cute kayong usa. Cute kayo. Na sila yung mga gagmay. Okay. Hello, unsaon pag naog dito sa kangaroo nga? Katong karsada dili. Dito kadto dito? Okay. Sumaora tong kangaroo. Where's next?
We will go to White Lion, sir.
Hits ta. White Lion ko no. African, white African lion. Here.
Wala, sir. Kaunan sa lion.
Okay. Okay. So, sakay dito ani.
Pagdating sa lion, pwede daw tumayo dito.
Balik na tayo na yung tao na nakita.
Okay, so hi everyone. Good afternoon and welcome to White Lion. For your safety, please remain seated lang while the tram is moving. No using of flash photography and do not stick your fingers outside the mat. Just hold on to grab bars. Also, hold tight kay Metro roller coaster punta din. It's part of the adventure.
Ayun. Ayun.
Okay, hold tight.
Pila ni sila kabuok?
Tulo, sir.
To lang. Pila edad?
8.
8. Ang eldest 8. 8.
Okay, so first up, the lion is on the left side. So, ang nasa right, ari lang mo din yung ma'am in front.
Hello. Ay, sorry. Uy, balik dito. Pila kay lifespan aning lion?
So, answer sa wild, 12 to 15 years, and sa captivity, 20 to 25. Okay, so here are the other lions. So, ang nasa na yung padirigin mo barog, ang nasa front, stay seated lang para makakita.
There he is. Ay, puro.
Especially the little girl.
Purom din sila laki, no?
Yes, sir. So we have here 3 white African lions that were born and bred in France, pero their original distribution kay sa Africa gyud. So these lions are all male siblings and they just turned 8 years old last May 1. Yeah, so Labor Day babies na sila. And if you listen closely, that's the lion's roar.
Paano pagka yung pinapakain sila?
So their zookeeper puts food inside the holding facility, ma'am. Tas,
Wow.
feeding time nila is closing time din dito. So they go home.
Wala gisi pa toothbrush. Nasa toothbrush ani.
Wala game mo so sir. But ikaw basin gusto ka.
Ako, kaya na ako.
Paano yung pag-feed nyo, dito ilagay o dali
Yes,
sila?
inside the holding facility, ma'am.
Ah, dadalhin sila doon?
Yes, they go home on their own. So if they roar at their peak, it can be heard up to 8 kilometers away, and that's also how they communicate with the other lions and warning intruders to stay away because lions are territorial.
Pero kani sila dili kay nakasinabot man silang duha.
Brothers man po niya sila.
Ka-cute sa iyang naong oh.
Female, ma'am.
Wala may female sir kay mag-away sila, magpatay o
Okay. Yeah.
Ilan man na i-establish kung kisay alpha sila ha. So only the alpha lion can mate with the lioness. So
So
regardless pila ka female, mag-away ra gyapon na sila.
mga pare din ni sila.
So wala pa ni alpha sila.
Para din mga cat na yung madalaking...
Second largest.
Bisag na separate ang female pag makatimaw sila mag-away gid gihapon no.
Maybe sir.
Mm.
O basta na yung kasaway nga
Oo.
yung female within the vicinity.
Ito na yung ganyan na yung pinakamalaki. Ito.
Yes ma'am,
Ayan,
that's
ayan.
the
That's 8 years old.
maximum.
Ah,
8 years old is considered adults. na.
Adults na kay 20.
Pero ganyan talaga, no, kalbo yung likod.
Yes sir. So the hair around their face, that's called mane. And that's for only sa
Kaya
male.
Lion King eh.
So sa female, more like puma.
Ang female wala nang hair.
Wala yung hair.
Mm.
So this area is just for them, 1.2 hectares.
Ang lakas naman ng...
For them 1.2 hectares.
Kala mo, bait nila, no?
Oo.
Kala mo,
Di actually kung robot ka, all your body are still, mabait sila sa iyo.
Oo, pag human ka,
Pag your body is our flesh, hindi.
sarap.
Sarap.
You will see this food.
Masarap ka sa kanila.
Ako, Spider-Man na kapag
Anong mostly kain nila? Ay, pagkain nila?
For their diet, we feed them 8 kilos of dressed chicken or beef per day per lion.
8 kilos per day.
Yes.
Okay. Chicken lang.
Chicken or beef.
Beef.
Bloodless and gutless.
No pork, kay high blood.
Dili sir. Mas convenient sa mga kay we have poultry man.
Okay.
The ML has poultry and
Yeah.
farms para makasustain sa animals.
Healthy pala sila.
Kay manok.
Oo, manok kasi pag baboy.
Iwan kung kakain ba ito ng isda.
Wala sir, layo man ang dagat.
Sa habitat wala kay may dagat sa ilang
Wala may
habitat.
dagat.
Welcome to Camel. Hello Camel, where are you Camel? Come here camels. Ay, dito ra. Sumo na ilang habitat.
Those are the dromedary camel, everyone, also known as Arabian camel. So sila na makita sa Northern Africa, Southwestern Asia. We have Bactrian camel, 2 humps, but makarest na sila afternoon, kay morning lang sila makita.
So nag-breed na ni sila dire.
Ang dromedary sir, wala pa na sila nakareproduce sir. Ang Bactrian lang may nakareproduce na this year. Nakaanak silang pag-March to na 5 months old na anak. Kaya ang third report. Pero kanan sila wala.
Asa man katong.
Na pahulay na sila sir, morning lang sila makita dire. Puli sila after. Morning shift lang sila. Morning shift lang sir.
Morning shift lang sila.
All these animals that are here before Cebu Safari. So, hacienda pa lang nandito na sila.
Tapos dumami na dumami.
Hindi talaga sila dumami ma'am. Marami na lang sila na nandito.
Hello. What are you? You're like turkey, but you're not turkey. That one is kuan. Peacock yata na. Ganyan ni boss? Peacock. Mga beauty queen. Can I crown? Peacock. Bird poop may fall anytime and anywhere while inside the aviary. Hello, how are you? What are you? Hey. Huh? You like this? Do you like this? Huh? You like that? Uy, what is that? Somebody's there. Lizard. Hello. Oi. Hello. How are you? What are you doing? Sige, dali. Woo. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Oh my God. Hello. Hi. Woo. Woo. Anod kayo sila. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. Oh my God. Ah. Hey. Okay. Namuwak naman ko diri. Oh my God. Ah. It's 12 to 15k each. Agay. Agay. Ala. Agay. Am I sweet?
Wala sila singot.
Oh my God.
Okay, napa ako naman.
Ah, am I sweet?
Makaputol. Wala mo kasi mong kaning diri sir ko.
Ha?
May tambok-tambok.
Ah, okay. Makadot gini sila, dili kayo.
Napangot ganun nila ba?
Okay. Asa mangitlog ka diya sa akong ulo? Okay, we're done. We're done. Go away. Bye-bye. Thank you for riding. Hello. Anod kay sila ginapakaon manggod no?
Anak sa tao ka. Mag-night daw kadadlaw.
Unsay pangalan gani ang ining nga langgam? Ha? San Conyor. From South America, Latin.
Ah, South America.
Latin America. Wow. Wow, padagan nila. Kuy. There they are. Ano? Ayan na din. Wala sila. No. Murag ng amba. What are you? Binturong. That's binturong. They're sometimes called bear cat because of their shaggy black hair and whiskers. They are nocturnal creatures whose tail is nearly as long as their body, serves as their fifth limb for grabbing into trees and branches when they sleep. They have powerful scent gland found in the base of their tails that produces a secretion that smells like hot buttered popcorn. Okay. Nice place. What is this place? Okay, there are seats. Okay. Yeah. So sa African Savannah, masakay ta ani. African Savannah. African Savannah. Okay. Zebra.
Zebra. Where? Oh, zebra.
The zebra. Zebra.
What's that?
Muna sila favoritos na yun.
Besides smell and localization, at the back we have here the breast bump. Breast bump came from the Western food way, both male and female have horns, and they are abundant in South Africa. We have here the breast bump and the wildebeest.
Wow, what's that?
Hello.
Other ones, we have here the water bump and below. Water bump can be described by the rough coat, long shaggy hair, and the white colors of their coat. Just like their names, they have strong association with waters. They can use it to avoid predators as well. Those two, the one with the long horns, straight horns, we have here the eland. Eland is one of the largest in terms of their size and weight. Their size, they can reach up to 5 feet and can weigh about 400 to 1,000 kilograms. Their horns can be measured up to 1 meter or 8 feet. And the one in the middle, the one with the twisted long horns, it is called the greater kudu. Greater kudu can be identified by their white lateral or vertical lines on their bodies. Male have horns. Their horns will twist every 2 years once they get older. They are known for becoming motionless when they sense danger or sense the environment. So again, we have here the water bump, greater kudu, and
Lifespan.
lifespans are 20 to 40 years old here.
Okay. Hello. Dagan sila.
Yeah. Oh. Wow, zebra. Wow, it's a wild deer.
And at the back, we have here the impala. Impala known as incredible birds of the Western Savannah. They can run about 20 kilometers per hour. And they
busog.
flap as high as 3 meters. They can cover distances about 12 meters. Male have horns while females do not. They also called the starred antelopes in the wild. These two right here, we have here the male and the female Tamsons gazelle. They're the smallest type of antelope in the savannah. Even though they're very small in size, they can run about 80 kilometers per hour. But it's not a baby size anymore. That's already an adult size of the Tamsons gazelle. They're very small or cute in size.
Lifespan.
Long spiral horns. Their horns can grow up to 85 centimeters or 33 inches long. They can use their long horns as a defense
Careful,
mechanism in the wild. They're also called as the king of the
African lion. Uy.
Nakatingin na sa atin, no? Tumahimik. Ay, pide. Pakianas doon na. Ay, hindi ko na naano yung ingay.
Sira usa?
Sure, isa pa no? Hiwa mo lang. Wow! Wala po ang dito. Bimutan o. Uy, lingi yan. Ang luhod ka.
Snap. Tanaw sila siya tuaw. Yan.
Yubon. Karabon. Yung mga 70 to 80 span.
Ha?
70 to 80.
Oh, 70 to 80. Ooh. You're big. You're very big. The other one is there. Ah, saltwater crocodile din sila. Yeah. There it is. Wait, what's that? Ah, otter. Wow, ang cute. Cute. Hello. Who are you? Ah, musalom din siya. Okay. Salom. Salom din siya. Asa pa nga na ito mga cute dito? Ah, otter. Asa oras ang feeding time? Ano?
Kanina sila, sir, every 15 days Manila pag-feed. Every 15 days.
Sa 15 days, kausara sila mukaon? Murag bitin.
Mura sa bitin kayo, dugay mo sila, mahila silang tiyan.
Ah.
Ikaw nila, dahil sa manaswalo, doon na yung sa nadaan. Dili pa na ina ito.
Ah, 15 days di ang buaya. Pero na mahog dito nga favorite nila, bisag dili time tingkaon nila, mukaon gyud.
Nasa every
Hello. Cute otter. Hello otter. Tara sila oh. Ano lang tingog? Patas monkey. Ayun siya oh. Hello. How are you?
There, Lily, in the box.
Yeah.
Lily, don't tap.
Why?
There, it startles the animals. See? There's a sign. Oh.
You see the others. Can I see the others now? Mom, can I see the others? Oh, we have a baby. They're gonna jump.
Every morning, the trees are moving. They boogie a lot.
I want to see the cats.
Serval. That's the serval. Sleeping.
Where's the other one? Because they're stupid. There. Under the plant.
Ay, okay. There. There he is. There. Miniature horse, Dennis, yeah. That's the miniature horse. The other one. There, nanago. Wow! Cute! Ka-cute! You're very cute. The other one is the salit dan sa dahon. This is the Rothschild's giraffe. Hello, giraffe. Ni doon lagi. Hello. How are you? The other one is there. There is the other one, and the other one is here. Nido siya. Oy, napade dito. Yeah, there. Lifespan 20 to 25 years. 20 minutes or less per day. Staying awake most of the time allows them to be constantly on alert for predators. They usually get their sleep in quick power naps that last just a couple of minutes. Ay, mo ba? 20 minutes a day? Giraffe. Nara ilang pagkaon. Muna yung pagkaon. Giraffe. Let's proceed to the another giraffe. Okay. Hello. Muna Americats. Uy. Lahi sa tong otter. Ah. Lahi ng otter, lahi po ni sila. Oh, nakakita na ko adto. Sa ilang ikaon. Ah, inom sa tubig. Hello, how are you? Cute. Sino nga mga ducks? Mura naman sila mga ordinary mga ducks. Kana siya muy cute kayo. Kana. Siya ra usa ko nakitaan. Uy. Cute gud nimo daw. Amot tong tuwa dito. Hello. Hi. Hi. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hello. He attempt to attack me. Agi lang ko. Agi lang ko ha. Don't attack me. I'm a friendly. Oop. These are the pink back pelican. Ah, great white pelican. Agi-ipon na sila. Kani? Ay. Nalagi itom. Kato. What are you? Ah, nasaag diri katong ni-attack na ko. Okay. Capybara. Ah, ka-cute nila. Capybara. Ingonanin ni sila, sweet. Capybara. Manya, wala sila sa tubig mo to sila. Kato. Tura. Akan ni nag-breed ni diri kinamay mga gagmay. Nisanay na ni diri. Capybara. What is that? White ostrich? White. What is that? White ostrich? Hello. How are you? Llama. Ah, mao ditong llama dito. Mao ditong mga llama. Na sila. Manang mga llama. What are you? Hello. Ah, this one's cute. Ah, black-handed spider monkey. Ah, muna sila ang black-handed spider monkey. Ano sila? Hello. Black-handed spider monkey. Their family. Blue Indian peafowl. There it is. Kanang na blue. Okay. Philippine brown deer. The Philippine brown deer. There it is. That's the Philippine brown deer. Javan deer. The Javan deer. Oh, la, ka-cute, ka-cute. They enjoy their companionship. Akan hinay sungay. Lahi ni o kauban na ni sila. Gulang-gulang na lang ni. Huh? Ganda-gandagan gitu. Ganda-gandagan gitu sila. Ah. Laying. The tiger. Hello, tiger. Adult na baka ni sila nga tiger? Yeah. Tiger Torp. Tambok kay siya oh. Yan tiyan kay ga labyog-labyog oh. Tambok kay siya. That's the black buck. That's the black buck. And these are the black buck yapon. Okay. Black buck ni sila. The Burmese python. That is the Burmese python. Nitago ang iyang ulo. Siyara usa. Incubation room. Hello. Mana incubator na?
Oh, sir. Then nursery, then winning room.
Ah, kanay nursery na ni. Okay, unsa ni sila nga na electus parrot?
Eclectus.
Eclectus parrot.
Macau.
Dagko gini sila okay, piso pa lang daano dagko.
Sir, naadiri sir. Sa winning.
Ha?
Nalatadiri dako na Macau.
Hello. Di pa ni sila pwede buhian dito?
Dili pa sir, wala pa muna sila na win sir. Baby pa.
Kuan pa ni sila. There you are. Orang-utan. Hello. Hello. Mani ang anak, muni ang mama nga orang-utan. Hello. Ayaw niya sa hugaw. Uy! Hello! Kuya, wag kamot, oh. Kamot, oh. Muni kamot sa orang-utan. Taan na sila. Taan na sila. Asa man mo? Nalingaw ko sa orang-utan gyud, as in. This is the Safari Stadium. Hello. Why is this called Safari Stadium? Because bird show. Wala na bird show. So muari mo diri. Sulit gyud kaayo ang kuan. Inyohang bayad kay pamaulan man gyud mo. Here are the kangaroo. This is how kangaroo eat. Naay gamay, naay dako.
Kangaroo.
Yeah. This is how it moves. The kangaroo.
Big good anak nga rabbit good.
Kangaroo breed.
Okay, and the big one. That's the big ostrich. The other one is there. The ostrich. The ostrich and the kangaroo. Cute. kids. Na-miss na ko ang garden. So yan nga eh. Kung mari mo diri, mga 1 day, more than half day. Sulit gid yung tanan kay kung mag half day mo naabot ko diri mga 2 naman. Wa gid ako mahuman. So more than half day, sakto gyud mga 9. Usa oras mag-open diri? 8. O mga 9 sakto na na, 10. Sakto na na siya. Mahurot gini mo suroy diri. Sakto na ginang pamaulan ka.
Head south, then turn left. Take the next left. Continue for 5 kilometers.
Let's go. We are good to go. So dinhi sa Carmen, safari adventure, safari ra gyud atong nasuroy rong adlaw.